We will prepare kimchi today. A kimchi soup. That's a Korean food.
Green soup,
These are the ingredients.
kimchi,
That is tofu,
radish,
radish,
sprout,
bean sprout,
seaweed.
seaweeds cut into pieces, and then we have
I will put one egg,
an egg
green
and
leaves.
green leaves. What is the green leaf?
This is a kind of Chinese green
Cabbage, something like cabbage, something like Chinese.
油菜 we call it 油菜或上海青
Chinese salad leaves, something like that. Alternatively, you can use salad leaves or any other similar leaf. And then we have kimchi. This is available in supermarkets. It's a Korean food.
the Korean
It's a
supermarket.
kind of a pickle. Then we have red chili powder, white pepper seeds, and rock salt. You can use normal salt instead. Now ginger, 2 pieces here, cut spring onions, pork cut into pieces, and coriander leaves cut. To begin with, you
Here,
cut leaves,
onion.
spring onions, you cut,
And actually you should use a pork. I don't have. I only have some pork skin. I use this one. Give a flavor.
add oil. We are using mustard oil, but can use any cooking oil, any healthy variety preferably. Pork, cut pieces of pork, then ginger,
Spring onion.
and then spring onion while the pan is getting heated up. These are the ingredients getting heated up. Add seaweeds,
And this one, radish.
then cut pieces of radish, mix, add water,
Before turn off, warm water.
boil some water,
Please.
add boiling water. This is another ingredient. This is for the seafood kimchi,
Mix it.
and this is seafood.
Mix.
Clams, prawns, and some pieces of fish, and fish balls. Now this is after 15 minutes of boiling. Now add a piece of
Dry fish.
dry fish. Add a little soy sauce, about 1 teaspoon. Cut kimchi into pieces about 1 inch long.
To this
Add bit of sprout, bean sprout. Cut tofu into small pieces about 1 inch size. Add tofu. Add kimchi, cut pieces of kimchi. Add chili powder, about 1 teaspoon. Add a bit of gravy from the kimchi packet. Wait, Add pinch of salt. Don't add too much because kimchi already have salt. Place a non-stick pan on the stove. Add oil. We use mustard oil. And add an egg. Any other cooking oil. That's the egg. Cover. Add cut pieces of leaves. Then add seafood. This includes prawns, clams, fish bowls, and seashells. Add cut green leaves. This is now after 20 minutes. Now add the fried egg. Add chopped coriander leaves. Grind white pepper, about 1 teaspoon. That is the completed dish. This is kimchi seafood